Hello guys, today I'm making a delicious Syrian dish called shakrieh, but in this recipe I'm using chicken instead of meat. First I slice 2 or 4 onions. I cut the chicken into small to medium long pieces. In a pot, I heat a little oil and add whole spices. Black peppercorns, cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaves and cloves. Then I add the chicken. At the same time, I prepare the yogurt sauce. I add 1 kilogram of yogurt to a pot. Since the yogurt was very thick, I add about half a cup of water. Then I add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well. After that, I add 1 egg and mix everything together. When the chicken turns white, I add the sliced onion. I also season it with black pepper powder, white pepper powder, and a chicken stock cube. I let everything cook together until the chicken is done. I place the yogurt mixture on low heat and keep stirring continuously until it starts to boil. When the chicken is done, I add about 2 cups of water and let it boil so the broth takes the flavor of the chicken and spices. Once the yogurt mixture boils, I add the cooked chicken, onions, and the broth to the yogurt sauce. I season it with a little salt and white pepper, stir gently, and let everything boil together for about half a minute to 1 minute. And like that, shakrieh is ready. Shakrieh is usually served with rice with vermicelli, which is a very simple and perfect side dish for this recipe. We start by heating a little sunflower oil in a pot. Then we add the vermicelli and toast it until it becomes nicely golden brown. Next we add the washed rice and stir it well with the vermicelli for a minute. After that, we add enough water to cover the rice. Then we season with salt and a chicken stock cube according to taste. Once the water starts to boil, we reduce the heat to the lowest level. Cover the pot and let the rice cook until it becomes tender and fluffy. And now everything is ready. Our delicious Syrian Shakriyeh with chicken is served with the warm vermicelli rice. The creamy yogurt sauce with the tender chicken makes this dish very comforting and full of flavor. This is one of the traditional dishes that many families in Syria enjoy, especially for family gatherings and special meals. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and try it at home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more delicious Syrian recipes. Bye!